Our exploration now takes us to the vast and open ocean, where we encounter the Boeing F/A-18E/F Super Hornet, a true symbol of American naval aviation prowess. This aircraft is not just a fighter jet, it represents the cutting edge of military technology and the pinnacle of engineering excellence. Deployed primarily by the U.S. Navy, the Super Hornet is a critical asset in maintaining air superiority. With a price tag of around $70 million, it is an investment in the security and defense capabilities of the United States. This aircraft is designed to perform a variety of missions, from air superiority to ground attack, making it a versatile tool in the Navy's arsenal. The Super Hornet is a testament to excellence in naval aviation. Its design allows for exceptional maneuverability and speed, enabling it to engage in complex aerial combat scenarios. The aircraft's twin engines provide the necessary thrust to perform high-speed maneuvers, while its aerodynamic design ensures stability and control. Its enhanced avionics and weapon systems make it formidable in both air-to-air and air-to-ground operations. The cockpit is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, providing pilots with real-time data and situational awareness. The Super Hornet can carry a wide array of weapons, including missiles, bombs, and precision-guided munitions, making it a versatile and lethal platform. The Super Hornet's versatility makes it invaluable in any naval operation. Whether it's providing air support for ground troops, engaging enemy aircraft, or conducting reconnaissance missions, the Super Hornet is up to the task. Its ability to operate from aircraft carriers allows the Navy to project power globally, ensuring that the United States can respond to threats anywhere in the world. The F/A-18E/F Super Hornet is a symbol of American naval dominance and engineering brilliance. Its combination of advanced technology, versatility, and combat capability makes it a cornerstone of the U.S. Navy's air fleet. As we continue to explore the world of aviation, the Super Hornet stands out as a remarkable achievement in military aviation history.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more military aviation content.